Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make mutton pulao, which is something like a biryani but not a biryani. Ancestors called it mutton pulao. They used to mix both the rice and the cooked mutton together, and they used to serve it as a meal. So I shall teach you how to make mutton pulao, not biryani. So let's start. I took half a kilo of biryani mutton. 1 cup of caramelized onions crushed, half a cup of curd, one teaspoon grounded ginger, 1 teaspoon grounded garlic, 1 teaspoon grounded green chilies, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of mutton masala, two tablespoons of chopped mint leaves, 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, and some salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients well. See that the mutton is well coated with all the masalas. The mutton is well coated with all the masalas. And now I leave it to rest for 3 hours. The mutton has been rested for 3 hours. And now we should start proceeding forward by making the gravy of the mutton pulao. Take a pan, heat it. The pan has become nice and hot. Put in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 chopped onions, saute the onion to a nice brown color, which will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'll add in the marinated mutton pieces to the onions. Add in half cup of water. Cover and cook for minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour. It's almost done. It's nearly 45 minutes are over and the mutton is nearly cooked. I'll just check it. Oh, it's well cooked, the mutton. Wow, what a beautiful flavor from the pan to the mouth. I have very little rice, so I'm removing the extra mutton into another bowl. Now I add in the steamed rice. I will add in 1 tablespoon of ghee to this. cover it and put it on slow flame and cook for another 10 minutes. Wow, it's really the aroma and the flavors. I can't just wait to eat it. Just see how beautiful it looks. I'm just remembering my grandmom today because it's really looking very yummy. She used to make the same kind of pulao, which I still love it. I learned the recipe from my mom and I do it at home regularly. Now let's do the plating. The yummy and delicious mutton pulao is ready. Garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Our delicious and yummy mutton pulao is ready, which is really yummy to eat. And please try it and reply us how did you like it. Like my video, share it and subscribe to the cookbook channel. Thank you.